She went home to see her mama. Her little girl missed her grandma. A long drive down 95 to that yellow ranch where she grew up. Her daddy stood there in the window, a puzzled look turned to a grin. The car door slammed and the little girl ran to her arms, flowers in her hands. 'Cause girls love to be with their mamas and your grandpa's little girls. You're our whole world. You're our whole world. Things changed since you've been away. Me and your mama, we don't see eye to eye. Your baby sister is gonna be a bride, and I've been working hard to keep memories alive. 'Cause girls love to be with their mamas and your grandpa's little girls. You're our whole world, our whole world. 'Cause girls love to be with their mamas and your grandpa's little girls. Girls love to be with their mamas and your grandpa's little girls. You're our whole world, our whole world. You're our whole world. You're our whole world.
I start with a few notes and then I turn into a melody. Write me some lyrics and sing a sweet soft harmony. Lay down some rhythm and let me find a groove, and I'll tell your story. You see, that's what I do. I am music, I am a song. Been with you down every road you've ever traveled on. Helped you dance, watched you cry. I'm the soundtrack of your life. And when everything is gone, we'll still sing along. I am music, I am a song.